Hello guys, today I've got the MacBook Neo and I'm going to show you how you can easily set up the AirDrop and transfer any files. So the first and the most important thing you need to remember is that you need to at first go to Finder and here find the AirDrop. As you can see, we can use now AirDrop as the HardReset.Info. If you see that it's disabled, click this button over here and make sure the AirDrop is set. Turn on and set to everyone. So once it's done, you need to the AirDrop is now turned on and set up. To transfer the files, you need to now on your phone select the file that you want to share to your laptop and let it be, for example, a picture of a Nissan logo. Here, let me share it to AirDrop. And now, as you can see, here we do have on our phone the hard MacBook. Click it, and now here the AirDrop code is required. In the top right corner, we have Get AirDrop Code. Click it. And now we have 114, 114, and 729. Here now we have our picture sent. Here now we need to find our picture. I have no idea where is it saved. I think it wasn't. Documents, downloads. Yeah, there was some error because it went very easily and very quickly, So let me do the same process really quickly again. As you can see here, let me use AirDrop to the MacBook. It's done. And here we have our image of the Nissan logo. It's set to downloads. We can see it in the photos now and to everything. So as I can see, it's here. If you want to share your file, any file that you have stored on your PC, on your computer, actually on your laptop, you need to at first select this file. For example, let me go to the downloads and select here the same image. We're going to transfer the same image on my phone. Here, as I can see, you need to find just the share button. Click share, and here AirDrop. Now we are dropping our file as the HardReset.Info, and it's me. Let me click on myself, and now on my phone I need to just here hit the accept button. It's very dirty, but I think you'll apologize. I apologize for that. And now here, let me show you this file that it is stored on my device. Okay. As you can see, it's here. I have 2 photos now of it. And that's how to use the AirDrop. Goodbye.